Are you team bring back sew-ins or team wig life is big? Whatever your choice is, Ula Hair has got you covered. Star of the show in this bag is their 12A quality raw Burmese coils in 18, 20, and 22 inches. So they sent me to try them out and give my own bias review, which is what I'm going to be doing in this video. Before I proceed to go do the installation, let's first unbox and see the goodies that are contained in this bag from Ula Hair.
Chantel, Anyanwu, do what she gotta do. Always what got a crew. Nothing's impossible. Your favorite Nigerian YouTuber. She holding down the spot, can't move her. And you know she get deep like scuba. Fashion, lifestyle, let's do it. This Chantel, Anyanwu, do what she gotta do. Always what got a crew. Nothing's impossible. Your favorite Nigerian YouTuber. She holding down the spot, can't move her. And you know she get deep like scuba. Fashion, lifestyle, let's do it. Yeah, it's your homegirl Chantel, and you know I really like your style. Outfits, yeah, they always on fleek, but you win a new product to ignite your smile. Blow a kiss, she like that crowd. Yeah, living the dreams, amazing. And don't care what they think, for the ones that she loves, she go hard in the paint.
Off to the salon we go. It's over for you all once I install these bundles because, I mean, your girl is about to be transformed. Like, go!
And it went like
Up in the ring and she styling. She always gon' ride and you know that we vibing. Come join, yeah, I hope you subscribed in. No videos weekly, she vlog for her peoples whenever she go to the islands. Self-development shown in the content. Yeah, she helping you live a be conscious. Whoa, this is Chantel, but you already know. This Chantel, do what she gotta do. Always what gotta crew. Nothing's impossible. Your favorite Nigerian YouTuber. She holding down the spot, can't move her. And you know she get deep like scuba. Fashion, lifestyle, let's do it. This Chantel, Anyanwu, do what she gotta do. Always what gotta crew. Nothing's impossible. Your favorite Nigerian YouTuber. She holding down the spot, can't move her. And you know she get deep like scuba. Fashion, lifestyle, let's do it. 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 This Chantel, do what she gotta do. Always what gotta crew. Nothing's impossible. Your favorite Nigerian YouTuber. She holding down the spot, can't move her. And you know she get deep like scuba. Fashion, lifestyle, let's do it. This Chantel, do what she gotta do. Always what gotta crew. Nothing's impossible. Your favorite Nigerian YouTuber. She holding down the spot, can't move her. And you know she get deep like scuba. Fashion, lifestyle, let's do it. 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 This Chantel, Anyanwu, do what she gotta do. Always what gotta crew. Nothing's impossible. Your favorite Nigerian YouTuber. She holding down the spot, can't move her. And you know she get deep like scuba. Fashion, lifestyle, let's do it. This Chantel, Anyanwu, do what she gotta do. Always what gotta crew. Nothing's impossible. Your favorite Nigerian YouTuber. She holding down the spot, can't move her. And you know she get deep like scuba. Fashion, lifestyle, let's do it. Yeah, it's your homegirl Chantel, and you know I really like your style. Outfits, yeah, they always on fleek, but you win a new product to ignite your smile.
So this is the hair in its dry state. It's almost done. He has finished installing it, and it looks so good. My hairstylist was even saying that the hair is really of good quality. You can see me what's the word? Running my fingers through it, and it's not shedding at all. Nothing. So, but to tame it down, we're going to put water and conditioner. I brought a water and conditioner mix that we can now put on it to tame it down. But on days when I want to be wild and out, I'm just going to rock it like this. So yeah, like I said, hair is from ULAHAIR, and this is their Burmese 12A quality raw virgin hair in 18, 20, and 22. It's so full that we didn't get to use everything. Let me show you what we still have left. I've almost It's a very long length of the 22 inches left. You can see it's a lot left, a whole lot. Yeah, that goes to show how full the bundles are. I think 200 grams will even be enough for those who don't want very full hair. That's my review. Let's get on with the hair installation.
She's like that crowd, yeah, living her dreams, amazing. And don't care what they think, for the ones that she loves, she go hard in the paint. Up in the ring and she styling, she always gonna ride and you know that we vibing. Come join, yeah, I hope you subscribed in. No videos weekly, she vlog for her peoples whenever she go to the islands. Tough development shown in the content, yeah, she helping you lift up your conscience. Whoa, this is Chantel, but you already know. This Chantel, do what she gotta do. Always what gotta crew. Nothing's impossible. Your favorite Nigerian YouTuber. She holding down the spot, can't move her. And you know she get deep like scuba. Fashion, lifestyle, let's do it. This Chantel, Anyanwu, do what she gotta do. Always what gotta crew. Nothing's impossible. Your favorite Nigerian YouTuber. She holding down the spot, can't move her. And you know she get deep like scuba. Fashion, lifestyle, let's do it. 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 This Chantel, do what she gotta do. Always what gotta crew. Nothing's impossible. Your favorite Nigerian YouTuber. She holding down the spot, can't move her. And you know she get deep like scuba. Fashion, lifestyle, let's do it. This Chantel, do what she gotta do. Always what gotta crew. Nothing's impossible. Your favorite Nigerian YouTuber. She holding down the spot, can't move her. And you know she get deep like scuba. Fashion, lifestyle, let's do it. 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 This Chantel, Anyanwu, do what she gotta do. Always what gotta crew. Nothing's impossible. Your favorite Nigerian YouTuber. She holding down the spot, can't move her. And you know she get deep like scuba. Fashion, lifestyle, let's do it. This Chantel, Anyanwu, do what she gotta do. Always what gotta crew. Nothing's impossible. Your favorite Nigerian YouTuber. She holding down the spot, can't move her. And you know she get deep like scuba. Fashion, lifestyle, let's do it. Yeah, it's your homegirl Chantel. And you know I really like you.
Ooh, so beautiful. Right, what do you think about the hair quality? It's good, right? Okay. Your head. Y'all, this is the final look. This is the hair wet and it looks really good. I can't even just say so myself because you all can see it. It's so good. My hairstylist said this is of very good quality and they were kind enough to give me a discount code KCA10. I'll leave it boldly written on the screen. If you get any hair from ULAHAIR, use my code and you get 10% off, which I think is generous. Yeah, I told you all that. You should better get ready. When this transformation comes through, you're in trouble. And I meant every single word of it. I don't have makeup on, no, and I'm glowing like this. Looks really, really good. So this is my new look for the next couple of weeks, and I'm loving everything about it. I'll still come back with makeup and show you all what I look like. Yeah, so you know that this is real. Next video coming on your screen is my transformation. 3, 2, 1. Hey, so this is me all glammed up, and you can see that my Ula hair is still giving. This is probably 4 days after I made the hair, 4 to 5 days after, and I really love it. It doesn't tangle. Yo, I've had the busiest week. I've not even added any product to it, and she's still thriving. As you can see, the curls are popping. It's so full. I went to church today. I just styled it like this. I didn't put any product like I mentioned. I can run my fingers through it still. No maintenance. This is like low maintenance type of hair, which is my vibe. I've had the busiest time lately, so yeah, I don't need anything that will be slowing me down. And this Ula hair gave everything that it was supposed to give, that it was intended to give. Like I mentioned, you can save 10% with my code KCA10, boldly written on the screen when you go shop on ULAHAIR's website. I'll leave all the details in my description box so that you can click and it just redirects you to the website. All right. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you, ULAHAIR, for this generous, beautiful hair that I really like. And until I come your way again, don't forget to stay amazing. Bye, y'all.
Do what she gotta do. Always what got a crew. Nothing's impossible. Your favorite Nigerian YouTuber. She holding down the spot, can't move her. And you know she get deep like scuba. Fashion, lifestyle, let's do it. This Chantel, Anyanwu.